Exercise 1 is called the Siren. And the way the exercise works is you will open your mouth into an ah vowel shape like you're yawning to let the air come in. And then you'll bring the corners of your lips together to form an oo vowel shape, keeping your teeth separated at least the width of one fingertip. Keep the tip of your tongue gently pressed against the roots of your lower teeth so you feel the bottom of your teeth and the top of your gum for every vowel sound. And you'll try to start on your lowest pitch in your whole range, avoiding vocal fry right below your lowest pitch, which would sound like this. So starting right above your vocal fry and then sliding smoothly up to your highest pitch in your range and then sliding back down. Ideally, you'll do the entire siren on one breath, but if you run out of air, just stop, take a breath, and then restart wherever you were in the siren and continue on till you get to the end. As you ascend, you should allow your jaw to gently drop. So by the time you're at the top part of your range, your vowel should shift to an ah or an sound, so you have plenty of space for the highest pitches, and then you can resume the oo shape as you get back down into the lower part of your range. The benefits of the siren are mainly twofold. The exercise benefit is that the siren helps you learn to blend your registers smoothly while ascending and descending. And the second benefit is the siren can serve as a barometer if you consistently use the siren every time you practice. Because if you can't maintain a smooth connection, especially in your upper part of your range, you probably have some inflammation in your vocal folds, and you'll begin to notice, I didn't get enough sleep last night, or I didn't drink enough water yesterday, or I have a cold that I'm recovering from. I thought it was gone, but I can't maintain the siren like I normally can. So it's like a way of quickly taking your temperature for your vocal health if you are consistent about using the siren, and that will help you determine how much stamina you have for that day for your voice if you're used to knowing what a normal siren would feel like for you versus what a siren when you're sleep deprived or dehydrated or a little bit sick would feel like.